Greetings, team. You're in for a treat today. You're about to learn how to do variations of the Muay Thai knee. Not only that, Tito and we're going to give you some of our favorite combos that you can use to set up that knee. Stick around because we're going to give you some phenomenal back work exercises that you can use to perfect that knee. In my opinion, Tito is one of the most powerful strikes in Muay Thai, and you're about to find out why. Here we go. First things first, the simple basic knee. We're going to have Tito use his rear knee to stab forward. That's one of the things that I notice with beginners. A lot of times when they're kneeing, they knee upward. So they knee and it looks like that. A lot of times when they knee, their base leg is not straight, so it's bent. So what does it look like? Right there. They have a full guard open and they bring both hands down. You ever seen that? Let's see that. Now what does it look like? Wham! Not good. Mighty. Terrible. No bueno. Use the proverbial center line. It's like we always talk about. If I could slice myself down the middle, that's going to be that proverbial center line. He's going to step outside the line, not forward towards the line, not inside the line, that invisible line. He's going to step out. He's going to make his base leg straight. The base leg being the leg that's extended, that you're standing on. He's going to use his knee to stab forward. When he knees, it's going to be very tight, a very tight knee. With the hands, cell phone shifter. The cell phone protects from the hook. This protects from that jab. Wham! And you stab forward. That's the quick rundown. He's stepping out, cell phone shifter, base leg straight, knee pointed, stabbing forward. Let's go, Tito. Yep, good. Good shot. After he knees, we don't want to have any wasted movement. He's going to finish how he started. Starting this way, and he's going to finish that way. Knee. Yep. Very good. We've given you the right knee. Now we're going to teach you guys the switch knee or the left knee. What you're going to do is keep that proverbial center line in the middle. Going to touch for our distance. We're going to switch. And from there, I knee forward. But you keep the same principles that you use with your hand movement, meaning that you use cell phone shifter. And then bop, bop, back. One more time. Touch for distance. Use that imaginary partner. Bop, switch, boop, cell phone shifter. Bye, bang, bang. Outstanding. Remember, when you're doing this move, it's very important that you touch for distance with that left knee because, hands up, you don't want to knee from here. You try to knee, left knee, he's too crowded. Not only that, you bang, 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 you're going to get caught with that. So use that left knee as a long range weapon. Touch, good. You see how long it is. Also, he leaned back. You don't want to get punched in the face. Knees be punches. He try to again. That's what's going to happen to them. So that's the basic fundamentals of the Muay Thai right knee and the Muay Thai left knee. So here we go with a few combinations that you can use to land those shots. First one up, uppercut, walk forward, grab, pin, and knee. Sounds just like it is. You're going to start off with the basic stance. I'm touching from my distance. Once you touch, I want you to take a small step forward with the back leg, but make sure that you're stepping outside that center line. Here, just like that. From here, you're protecting yourself, you short uppercut. Wham! And from there, you pin and you knee. Because I'm going left knee, I don't want to get countered with the elbow. I don't want him to grab me. From there, I pin and then I knee. All right. That's it. One more time for you slow. Touch from our distance. We don't want to crowd ourselves. Rear step forward. I'm still protecting. Uppercut. It's not a super powerful uppercut, but it's more of just to get their head back. And then you grab and you knee. After you land the knee, you can either grab from the side and clinch, or you can push them away. I prefer pushing them away because it gives you a fresh start after that high-scoring combo. One more time. Pop, step, pop, and then bye. Lean back, stab, knee. Let's give it to him in regular motion, Tito. You ready? There we go. Good. There you go. That's it. Next technique. Fake teep, jab to switch knee. Here we go. The key to this one is that you really have to sell that teep. We don't want to nobody's buying that. You really have to sell it. So that's not going to work. So fake teep, touch. He's already blinded for that split second. Once he's blinded for that split second, you switch fast as you can and you stab forward, just like we showed you. Touch from my there go. I got him. Fake teep, touch, switch. And from there, long knee up, bang, bang. If you knee and they don't move back, be careful about where that lead foot lands, for example. So I fake teep, I touch, and then I knee, right? I landed. He didn't move back. Now I'm in just as much danger. He can grab, he can knee, he can sweep, he can elbow. So if you land that switch knee and he doesn't move back, when you land, come backwards. If you can clear him, then you drop the front foot. Bop, bang, here, damn, look, bang. Take my step back. This time if you clear him, bop, wop, you clear. Boom, now you can drop it. So let's give that combination one more time. Bop, fake teep, touch or jab, whatever you prefer. All right, sometimes a hard jab, sometimes just a quick touch just to distract them for that millisecond. And then, guys, I want you to switch and land that knee. Switch. You're switching just around where that rear arm is at. That's when you do that long knee. Long knee. Let's show them in quick motion, Tito. You ready? For real. Good. Good. Good, very nice. The next technique that you're gonna learn, straight hand to rear knee. With your rear foot, it's about 45 degrees. So this move won't work if both feet are facing forward. So let's go back to our foundation, feet together, shoulder width apart, half a step back. Not too much here, but about right there, okay? So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna touch for your distance. The back foot is gonna go from here to straight. Then you're gonna straight punch, get his neck back, and then you grab in long knee. You grab in straight hands, long knee, just like that. One more time. You're touching for distance, fake sometime, fake just to see what he does. On your mark, get set, go, bang, got him, tang gang. If they back up too much after that cross, you don't have to worry about grabbing because that's gonna put you in perfect distance to throw that rear knee anyway. So I throw my shot, boom, from there, wham. You notice I didn't grab him, there was nothing to grab, but I still made my knee nice and long as I can. Let's give it to him in regular motion. Are you ready? Oop. Nice, very good. Up, very good, free throw. Yep, good. All right, guys, now we're gonna give you a quick bag drill that you can use to practice at home. This drill is about learning how to use proper timing and distance. The bag is gonna swing, obviously, and you wanna have perfect distance and make sure that you don't corral yourself with the knee. You wanna make sure that you don't overextend and miss the bag. You wanna try to catch that bag right in the middle of the swing. That's a quick snippet of the long form version of this video that you can now get on the KMA Online Muay Thai Drills and Training Program. All you have to do is click the link in the pinned comment or the description and get registered now. Over 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai to help you grow fast. And don't forget, hit that shop link if you want to get dripped out with us with the KMA apparel and Muay Thai training gear. It's real fly. Also, for more of our Muay Thai tutorials on our YouTube channel, all you have to do is click this video right here and it's going to give you our full playlist. We know that you're going to enjoy it.